like my family came here, you know.
Kilson.
You know.
Nice one,
I used to work here with good
What is that?
in a restaurant. Very good, you know, very good.
Men are det Coleman with the t-shirt?
Sometimes, you know, after work.
Evangelist.
How can you be with a vision of it?
Evangelist.
And they used to do like shit,
That's a long thing about
city, very nice and warm in summer. I used to stay there, man. For 3 years I stayed there. I swear to God. I stayed there a lot.
I know me.
Summer day, nice and hot. You go and Gamisu de mala. Oh, Gamisu. What's the name of Malaga?
Vangeli.
Vangeli de Malaga, Vangeli. Vangeli de Malaga, Vangeli. Fuiste de Vangeli. Fuiste, ¿eh?
Vangeli por el beso con cola. Vangeli es negay. Filippo, Gary, Liverpool.